Hey guys, welcome to my channel Study with me. Here I have a question of trigonometry. What's the value of cos square 67 degrees minus sine square 23 degrees? As we know that for we'll forget first about the square term. For cos of 67 degrees we can also write as bracket square is equal to cos square 67 degree. So we'll be calculating for the cos of 67 degrees. So we have, for cos of 67 degrees we can write cos of 90 minus 23 degrees. In the previous lectures I have also told you that this theoretical explanation is given in my trigonometric series. Please do to watch that videos. You will understand how it is there. So cos of 67 degrees can be written as cos of 90 degrees minus 23 degrees. After subtraction you will get the same value. So now cos of 90 minus theta is sine of theta, that is sine of 23 degrees. So as this term is cos of 67 degrees bracket square, so similarly we put this value and square it, so we get sine square 23 degrees. Now we'll put this value in this question, so we'll get sine square 23 degrees minus of sine square 23 degrees, that is equal to 0. Hence we have find the value of this equation. Thanks guys for watching this video. For more such video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study with me. Thank you.